Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked at a spreadsheet full of numbers and thought there has to be an easier way to understand all this? Imagine you are the owner of a small business. Every month your sales are recorded in an Excel file. At the end of the year you have hundreds of rows of data. Looking at numbers alone doesn't tell you much. Which month had the highest sale? Which months had the lowest? Are the sales growing or are they going down? Instead of trying to answer those questions manually, we are going to let Python do all the hard work. By the end of this tutorial, you will build a simple sales dashboard that reads an Excel file and automatically create professional charts. Let's get started. First, let's look at our Excel file. It contains two columns. The first column is the month. The second column is the sales amount. That's all we needed. Now let's open any code editor, Visual Studio or Notepad++. The first thing we do is import libraries we'll use. Here we'll use pandas to create the Excel file, and we'll also use matplotlib to create chart. Next, we load the Excel file into a data frame. Think of a data frame as a smart table that Python can easily work with. Let's print the data and make sure everything is loaded correctly. Perfect. Now let's create our first graph, a bar chart. A bar chart is one of the best way to compare sales between different months. Each bar represents one month. The taller the bar, the higher the sales. Already, it's much easier to understand the business than by looking at numbers. Let's create a line chart. A line chart is perfect for showing trends over time. You can immediately see whether sales are increasing, decreasing, or staying consistent throughout the year. Finally, let's create a pie chart. A pie chart shows what percentage of total sales comes for each month. Instead of creating graphs by hand every month, Python generates them in just a few seconds. Imagine sending these reports to your manager automatically every Monday morning. That's the power of automation. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and please leave a comment. Thank you for watching.